Ever found yourself in a massive building thinking, okay, where do I go now? But now, your phone doesn't just show the way, it leads the way. Turn right in 49 meters. Not just directions, precise ones. Every hallway, every floor, every turn, down to the meter. No second guessing, no detours, just a clear path from A to B, like it's made just for you. Up a level, across buildings, this feature keeps up and keeps you moving. Turn-by-turn navigation from MazeMap. Built for precision, designed for real-world movement.